Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore how to use offline maps in the Google Maps app. If you often travel to areas with limited internet connectivity, downloading maps in advance can save a lot of hassle. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right. Next, scroll down the menu and click on Offline Maps. This section allows you to manage maps that you want to access without an internet connection. Then, click on Select Your Own Map. You will see a map view where you can zoom in and out to choose the area you want to download. Adjust the selection to cover the region you need for offline use. After selecting the area, click on Download. The app will start downloading the map to your device. Depending on the size of the area and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, tap on the three dots next to the downloaded map and select View. Now, you can open this map anytime and use it offline, even if you don't have an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.